So this is what my kid's trying to do. Donovan, look at mommy. Look, who's that? Is that you? Smile big. Where's your teeth? Okay, can you show mommy your eyes? Point to them. Show mommy your eyes. Hey, show mommy your eyes. Donovan. Hey, show mommy your eyes. Okay. Show mommy her eyes. Where's mommy's eyes? Point to my eyes. Can you point to mommy's eyes? Point to mommy's eyes. Where's mom? Look at me. Donovan. Donovan. Hey. Point to mommy's eyes. Okay, we'll try it again later.